Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the portrait mode mastery on Honor 600 Lite 5G. So what are we going to do is we're going to go over and open up the camera. So I'll use the camera button for it. Now we are in the camera. We want to make sure that we are in the portrait setting, not photo, but portrait. Here we got the bokeh mode, and here we can adjust everything. So what we can do first is we can set it to strong or weak depending on our preference. Now let me quickly point it at a flower. Now you guys won't see this like me, but here we can change the bokeh. We can set it to strong, we can set it to weak. And let me quickly take a picture like this. The picture is there. And what we also have here is we can make it smoother. We can add the tone, but it's of course a beautifier. So if you're taking pictures of somebody here, you guys can set it up and the pictures will look amazing. So we got everything here. We can change the bokeh mode to strong. And let me quickly take another picture. We got the picture right here. And that's basically what you guys can do here. Of course, you guys can click on this screen, lower the exposure a little, and let me quickly lower the exposure and take a picture. So this is the low exposure one. This is with the strong bokeh. This is with the weak bokeh, and this is without a bokeh. So this is basically how it works. Now you can easily master it. You need to find your own settings, the settings that you feel comfortable with. And of course, you can add some lighting like flash and etc. Totally up to you. You can disable it all just like that. And here you guys can simply enable the flash. Now it's always on. And that's totally up to you. It's depending on what photos you're trying to achieve. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.